Hello again. In this particular video, I'm going to show you, in fact, what are the different types of questions that can be asked in the test. Of course, you know that you are going to have a kind of picture of which has to be reported or which has to be described. But then what can be the different pictures that can be shown to you in this particular module? So let's start with the first picture. The first picture is known as, and you need to know the name of this picture. So this is known as bar graph. This is chart or bar graph, right? The second picture is line graph. So you can see here, but you can see that we have got an x-axis, y-axis, and then some datas. Most of the time it is the year, but sometimes it can be grouping as well. And then these are bar graph and these are line graph. So it can be one, it can be more than one, which can be asked, right? Moving on to next question type. This is a combination of two pictures. You can see this is again a bar graph and this is a table. You can see, you must be aware about table in your schools. And then this is known as pie chart. Generally talks about a proportion of segments, different segments and percentage, and the data is here. And then again the combination. So you can see either one picture can be asked or two pictures can be asked. This one is known as just diagram. You can see a particular action is happening, and you are asked to write a report on that. They say this, the diagram below illustrates, so this diagram. So if any of your picture doesn't fall into any other category that has been described or that will be discussed, that will be simply a diagram. This one is again perhaps a diagram, but this is a process diagram. So you can see the process is about, the process diagram is about, because you can see one action is happening one after another. So first this and then this, then this, then this, right? So you can understand that way. Next is, and that's the final type of question, is a map. Most of the time you will get two maps and you asked to compare between these two maps in your report writing. Sometimes even flowchart can be asked, which I have not included here because these days these questions are not being asked. But again, it's a kind of process graph where they will describe the flow of some actions which continues. So we have to describe different stages in sequence in that. Okay, so these are the different types of questions that can be asked. Thank you very much for watching. See you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.